Guys, remember our bitter leaf plants that we up potted or repotted into these containers, these little nursery bags. Today, I'm going to take them to the garden. I'm going to be planting them out today. And this is why they need to move. I always tell you, as soon as you start to see the roots peep out of the container, it is time to move them into something bigger so that they can continue to grow. So I figured out where I'll be planting all of these bitter leaves, and I will plant them, guess where? Along the fence. See that fence over there? Along that fence, I'm gonna put my bitter leaves. I can put them quite close together because back home, bitter leaf plants can be used as like a hedge. That's how we call it, right? To create that barrier. So I'm gonna be planting my bitter leaves as fence bitter leaf along the fence like this and then over this way. So yeah, let's go plant some bitter leaves. Along this fence is where I will plant the bitter leaves. It's just the perfect spot. And you want to put your stuff in ground on a cloudy day, a rainy day like this is just absolutely perfect, or do so in the evening. Okay, like I said, I'm gonna put them quite close together. Let me make sure you can see this. Okay, grab this one. These bags are just perfect. Just gonna get it out like so. See that? Then I'll put it, just set this here. I'm planting them quite close because I have too many of them, guys. And I want it to form like a hedge around here, barrier. Okay, keep going. So guys, as you can see, my bitter leaf plants are all planted. They are in ground now. I have at least 36 times 2 of the bitter leaf plants along my fence. So next, I'm going to help kickstart like growth. I'm sweating because I just hauled a bucket of water here. This is rainwater. I'm gonna add a few things to this water and feed my plants with. This is called Super Thrive. It just helps to prevent transplant shock. It's vitamins for your plants. A little goes a very long way. I'm trying this product out for the first time this year. And I had good success with my njama over here. No transplant shock when I used it right after transplanting. And just a quarter of a teaspoon per gallon. So this is 2 gallons. It means I just need a teaspoon of this stuff. And you can use it with any fertilization program. Let me just read the instructions again. Okay, quarter teaspoon per gallon. So 2 gallons means 1 teaspoon. When it comes to fertilization, I try to not eyeball things because you can make a mistake and a lot can go wrong. Okay. So that's my super thrive. And then I'm also going to add fertilizer. This is fish fertilizer, good for organic gardening. You can also use Miracle Grow, not a problem. Just make sure you follow the instructions. And I try not to go full strength, especially for my young stuff. It's better to under fertilize than over fertilize. So I'm going to add half a cup. This stuff is thick and stinky. And my plants are very young, so okay. Let's see. This is fish emulsion fertilizer. Ooh, okay, that's good. And then we're gonna put some of this yummy rainwater in there. I absolutely collect rainwater. I hear rainwater is good for plants. Not sure why, but it's free water. I don't have to pay bills. So I will take it. So now I'm just going to go around and apply a little to the roots to my bitter leaf plants. Okay. Just like so. Little of this good stuff. Liquid nutrients, good for the young plants. Goes directly to the roots. Gives it a good start. Okay.